And so the information that I'm going to present to you today will be helpful on two levels. The first will be able to help you with the students, to see if the students are possibly in abusive dating relationships. And the second is to possibly help you recognize sociopaths in your own life, because they are everywhere. And so I'm going to teach you what to look for and how you can avoid them. The people who engage in love fraud are sociopaths. Now, the good news is that love fraud is totally preventable if you know what to look for. So the fact of the matter is, most people actually see the warning signs of love fraud, but don't know what they mean. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to teach you, what the warning signs of love fraud are, so that you can enlighten your students and perhaps even use the information in your own life. Sociopaths don't necessarily look like they're crazy. They look normal, they look average, some are handsome, some are ordinary, and they know exactly what they're doing. Sociopaths are not delusional. They know what they're doing hurts people and they don't care. Okay, so why should you care? Well, one place in which it is very possible to meet a sociopath is in a romantic relationship. Sociopaths in romantic relationships are always abusive in some way. And most of them begin their lying, deceit, and manipulation in high school. This is why it's important that young people know about this. Love fraud's research has shown that people who get involved with antisocials and sociopaths at a young age suffer far more harm than those who meet people at an older age. I mean, I was 40 years old when I met my ex-husband, but people who get involved at a younger age, you can see what happens. The older people, 29% suffer physical abuse compared to 49% of the younger group. 30% get their life threatened compared to 44% of the younger group. And about 34% consider suicide as a way out of the situation compared to 47% of the younger group. And we talk about how sociopaths will express their love in order to reel you in. So what exactly is love? I mean, we may think of it as this squishy feeling and all this excitement when somebody is special, but scientists have looked into this to figure out exactly what are the components of love, and they found there are 3 different aspects to it. The first is called attachment, and what that means is that you want to be with somebody who you're attracted to, that it's a compulsion to be with the person. The second is sex. Do I have to explain that to anybody? No? Okay. The third is caretaking, all right? And what that means is that when you love somebody, you want to take care of them. You want to do what's best for them and to help them. Now, sociopaths do experience the first 2 parts. They do experience attachment, and they certainly want sex, but they have no ability to take care of people, okay? They really do not care about anybody else's situations or needs or desires other than their own. Sometimes it does evolve into dating violence, and the dating violence statistics are pretty scary. 1 in 3 teens teenage girls have experienced either verbal, emotional, or physical abuse from a dating partner.